everybody? Day one, rolling out Miami.
What's up, everybody? This is my first vlog, day one of Rolling Loud. Let's go.
I'm trying to keep the peace, I ain't wildin' out. Staying in my own lane, that's what I'm about. I'm just trying to maintain almost something different. When I talk about the future, got you looking different. You wondering if I'ma change or remain the same. I just always play my cards, charge it to the game. But this game is real life, I can feel it breathing.
This is crazy. It's rock stage.
I'm gonna ask you.
Ready to put on my socks, I got them all, how can I not? Ready to put on my watch, this is the me, no not a fuck. We ain't supposed to make it this far, we really got came from the block. We ain't open that shit back up. Open it back up. Keep it open. Left side, keep that shit open. Left side, what the fuck going on the left side? Open that shit back up. Sheck Wes, bitch, I'm done with Sheck Wes. Sheck Wes, bitch, I'm done with Sheck Wes.